in my garden and I'm gonna go to see Unsung Hero. I think in Japanese it's like Chigao Hiro, and after that is Forget Me Not or Wasura Naide. I'm guessing that's what it is in Japanese, because of course the title's in English for the film festival. So I'm gonna go see that. Both directors of both films are gonna be there, and this is the last day of the film festival, so I'm always sad when the film festival is over, because, you know, at this time there are so many people from different countries that come here. It's the most multicultural that I get to see Udine, and generally in Udine, you know, it's very quiet, there's not much to do, but at this time there's a lot to do, and there are events, and there are just so many more people and smiling faces. So I really enjoy the Far East Film Festival, and it's the biggest event here in Udine, and I think it's getting bigger in Italy and becoming more international, and I think it really helped a lot that Jackie Chan came this year. But yeah, so I'm gonna go see Unsung Hero and try to get some autographs and pictures. And I just needed to stop and film this house because of the wisteria growing here, and every day I pass by it just smells amazing here. Ah, okay. He's shy. And Ando Sakura kaiteta. I met Horie Kei, and we're going to see the movie Forget Me Not. Yeah.
この映画を入れて3本ですか、もう少しで終わっちゃうんですけど、最後まで楽しんでください。
Vi ringrazio innanzitutto per la vostra presenza, vedo che siete veramente in tanti e sono veramente felice. E so che oggi è l'ultimo giorno, mancano solo 3 film e spero che voi siate tutti presenti in questi 3 film e che vi divertiate.
Here is the director of Unsung Hero. He's so nice. So today I saw Take Masaharu's film Unsung Hero, and it's one of my favorites now. I really like it. It shows the kind of better part, like the better side of Japan, instead of if you watch Kabukicho, Love Hotel, or Sayonara Kabukicho. And this one is like that movie by Hiroki. That one shows kind of the bad side of Tokyo and like the bad side of like what you can see in Japan. Whereas this movie shows, you know, it's quite normal, but it shows like, you know, it has some good messages in it, like, you know, staying young at heart, going for your passion, going for your dream and getting it. And so I really, really like this movie. And so I recommend this movie, actually, if you're going to see one of the movies that I saw. I really like The Gifted. Actually, I liked a lot of the movies here, but my husband is a lot more kind of negative, a lot more like not so gung-ho about a lot of the movies, like these artsy film festival kind of movies, but he liked this movie. So I guess that if you're gonna see one of the movies, probably this one is better, because it's just something that you could relate to probably a lot more. It is emotional as well, but it's not the roller coaster that Kabukicho Love Hotel is. But anyway, so I really did like this movie. Take Masaharu is a really good director. Ando Sakura is a really good actress. She's not in this movie, but there's some other actors in this movie who I think the main characters of this movie are also really good actors. So there's some good acting in it as well. Today's the last day. So basically the film festival is over. Actually right now, Horie Kei is the director of Forget Me Not, and that movie is playing right now, and unfortunately I'm not gonna get to see it, but I'll try to see it later. And Horie Kei I always thought was very handsome and a good actor, and now he's a director, so that's really cool. And yeah, I'll try to see his movie in the future, but anyways, I'm not going to see this one, unfortunately. But yeah, the film festival's over, so that's it. It's the end. I'm so sad. Why?